Hi Rob.
Hi Alistair, good afternoon.
How you doing?
Very well, thank you. Welcome to our vehicle resilience test car.
Okay, the car's currently sat inside our dynamic facility. So what does that actually entail?
So the dynamics facility here is around testing connectivity into vehicles, into the grid, into the network, and cyber security. It's a portfolio of 4 facilities we've got here in vehicle resilience: the innovation lab, systems lab, and the connectivity, along with this one, the dynamics one. And really that incorporates and builds the brand for vehicle resilience.
Okay, so vehicle resilience therefore has a lot of aspects to it. Could you just quickly overview what those are?
Yeah, so vehicle resilience is really a proactive engineering team looking at some of the future challenges within the automotive industry. 3 main areas is cybersecurity, electromagnetic resilience, and functional safety. Each one of those elements bringing it together within the department, making it a more of a risk-driven engineering approach. And that really comes together and brings together the safer, smarter, cleaner aspects of our business.
Okay. And if we look at the way that vehicles have been developed in the automotive market as a whole, we can see that a lot of technology is rapidly coming into vehicles. With that comes challenges. How can some of those challenges be overcome?
Okay, certainly from our perspective, we're looking at a risk-driven management process. So you're looking at capturing the design intent of those vehicles and the information that's required within those vehicles right at the early stages of the vehicle design, and we design in vehicle resilience from the start. So we're looking at designing vehicles to be resilient. Okay,
and in order for some of those challenges to be overcome, when do we need to actually take into account that vehicle resilience aspect? So you've mentioned some parts of that, but is it something to think of at the end of the process, or is it something that we need to consider?
Absolutely, we need to consider that right from the word go in the design stage of the process. So even down to the design capture, we need to be incorporating that so that we can understand what the systems and requirements are for that whole vehicle process.
Okay. And it's an engineering approach. We also have test facilities around vehicle resilience. Is that all that's encompassed, or is there other aspects as well?
Absolutely not. So vehicle resilience is agnostic to the tested environment. So we try and pull on the resources that we need to throughout those engineering programs. And that incorporates lots of different test facilities here at MIRA, but it also may involve the real-world test environment, so open road, but it also, a lot of the aspects we do now is in the simulation environment, into the virtual environment, which allows us to be able to test features without actually doing physical tests.
Okay, great. And this year at LCV, you're going to be presenting on the HORIBA MIRA booth. What is it that you're going to be talking about?
Exactly that, really. So looking at what are the challenges in the marketplace and how we can keep pace with those changes in the market and introducing new technology quicker into vehicles. And it's really around that. Okay.
And if people wanted to get more information about the vehicle resilience topic, what's the best way for them to do that?
Absolutely. So if you jump on our website, there's a whole new website for vehicle resilience, being a new brand.
Okay.
There's lots of information on that web page. There's also inquiry forms, and you can also see me as well at the LCV show.
Okay, great. Thanks very much, Rob.
Okay, thank you very much, Alistair.
Cheers.